talk. We're looking at that vintage Stihl 076 chainsaw, 111 cc's, a very powerful workhorse. Take a look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is on the top, choke is on the opposite side. Has the operator presence lever. It won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. There's a decompression valve on the right side of the spark plug. Push that in, it always pops out as soon as the saw starts. A real nice feature for starting these high compression motors. Top load on your fuel reservoir, side load on the oil reservoir. Wrap handlebars, very large Pacific Northwest falling spikes. 36-inch roller nose bar, and when we say roller nose, it is a roller nose. There's a wheel right here with bearings in it, very popular in the 70s. 404 chain, skip sequence, spacing between the teeth. 63 gauge, thickness of the bar groove. Chisel bit tooth, that's the configuration of the tooth. Very popular combination here in the Pacific Northwest. If you're looking for a vintage workhorse, here's a nice German-made Stihl 076.